It's been a single solid month since the Galaxy S23 series landed in the industry, and we're beginning to hear murmurs regarding the Galaxy S24 series. The South Korean tech giant is reportedly planning to introduce a 144Hz refresh rate display in its next year's top-notch device, making it the first Galaxy device to feature such a high refresh rate. According to a report from Sam Lover, the Galaxy S24 series will feature Super AMOLED screens with a 144Hz refresh rate. Starting with the Galaxy S20 series, Samsung used 120Hz Super AMOLED screens in its high-end phones. And while some gaming phones and high-end smartphones from rival brands offered screens with a 144Hz refresh rate, Samsung has so far stayed away from 144Hz screens. If this report is correct, it could switch to 144Hz Super AMOLED screens for a smoother experience while scrolling, swiping, and gaming. It is not yet clear whether the higher refresh rate will be available just on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, or will also be available on the cheaper models in the range. However, if present, it will allow users to take advantage of even more fluid animations and faster screen loading times. If your device is strong in the graphical department, you're going to want a refresh rate that can work just as well. There are some other rumors regarding the upcoming Galaxy S24 series, beginning the speculation it could contain a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, although this wouldn't be much of a surprise as the chip is expected to launch later this year. A recent leak suggested Qualcomm could be flirting with the idea of creating a 64-bit only era with this next flagship-focused chipset, meaning the S24 could join the Pixel 7 series. The rumor mill doesn't stop there, as there are reports that the Samsung Galaxy S24 may also have a satellite connection feature, which Apple introduced on the market with the launch of the iPhone 14 a few months ago. According to the head of Samsung's mobile division, the satellite connection was not available in this year's models because it has a lot of limitations. However, the technology and infrastructure could be ready for next year's launch of the new Galaxy. The report also claims that Samsung will equip the Galaxy S24 lineup with two-way satellite connectivity for calling and texting in conditions where conventional cellular signals aren't available. Since most people weren't impressed with the Galaxy S23 at first due to its modest specs compared to its predecessors, people might like the Galaxy S24 more as it could bring fancy specifications like a 144Hz refresh rate. Most of the claims in the new Galaxy S24 report seem like educated guesses rather than concrete information. Despite the lack of concrete details, the buzz around the Galaxy S24 series is already building, with many consumers eagerly anticipating what Samsung has in store for its next flagship line. And we should take them with a grain of salt until official announcements are made. Nonetheless, the prospect of a more advanced display and satellite connection feature is exciting, and could make the Samsung Galaxy S24 a great competitor in the smartphone market. So how do you like this new, more advanced display and satellite connection feature coming to the upcoming S24 lineup? Share your opinion below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.